Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on factoring, and sa previous video ay dinidiscuss natin yung factoring perfects square trinomials. No? So yung perfect square trinomials, just a brief review, ay result ng squaring binomials. No? So dalawang posibleng result yan when you square binomials. Pag A plus B, ang result niya ay product ay a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Tapos pag a minus b squared, the product is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So pag finactor natin yan, look at the relationship. A squared tapos a tapos b squared tapos b, tapos kita rin natin yung operation, no? So ano ibig sabihin nun? We get the square root of a squared, kaya siya naging a, and then we get the square root of b squared, kaya siya naging b. Tapos kopyahin lang natin yung operation. Pag minus, minus siya. Pag plus, plus siya. So bali yung sign ng 2ab. Pag positive, ang 2ab plus yung ating operation. Pag negative, minus. No? So ano ibig sabihin yan? No? Inulit ko lang to yung sinabi ko sa previous video. You look for the two terms that are perfect squares. So pag may dalawa kang terms na perfect square, malaki ang chance na yan ay perfect square trinomial. Kagaya sa number 1, dalawa yung terms natin na perfect square. That's 40 squared and 81. So una, kunin muna natin yung square root. Square root of 40 squared is equal to 2t, and square root of 81 is equal to 9. Remember, ito yung a natin. This is a dito, at saka this is b. No? So, anong hahanapin natin ngayon? Hindi pa natin confirm kung perfect square trinomial ba siya. Kasi meron pa tayong another term. So, pag ang 2ab nito, yung naging 3060, ibig sabihin, yan ay perfect square trinomial. So, ano ang 2ab? 2ab is equal to 2 times 2t times 9. This is 2 times 2 is 4 times 9 is 3060. 3060 is equal to this one, meaning perfect square trinomial na ito. So, pag perfect square trinomial, na-extract na natin yung square root. Na-extract na natin yung square root. Ano ang sign dito? Plus. So, this is plus also. So, 2t plus 9 times 2t plus 9. Yun yung ating factors. So, this is equal to 2t plus 9 times 2t plus 9, which is equal to 2t plus 9 quantity squared. Okay? For number 2, may perfect square ba na terms? Meron din, dalawa, no? So, kunin natin yung square root. Square root of n squared ay n. And then square root of 36 ay 6. This is a. This is b. What is 2ab? 2ab is 2 times n times 6. This is 12n. So, 12n is not equal to 6n. So this is not a perfect square trinomial. Ang tanong, ibig sabihin ba ay mafa-factor natin siya, or ibig sabihin ba hindi pa natin siya mafa-factor? Well, hindi pa natin alam, no? Kasi hindi pa natin napag-aralan kung paano mag-factor ng polynomials na hindi pa natin alam paano mag-factors ng trinomial na hindi perfect squares. So, we don't know yet. Pabalikan natin to later. Or kung gusto nyo, pwede nyong i-explore, investigate, if you can factor it or not, no? Let's have number 3. May perfect square ba tayo na dalawa? So, minsan, kung makikita nyo, naka-rearrange, no? Dito palaging, sa mga previous examples natin, laging ang perfect square ay yung una, tsaka yung pangatlo. Ito, hindi perfect square yung una. Pero perfect square yung second and third, no? So, we can get the square root, no? So, square root of 9y squared is 3y. And square root of 25x squared is 5x. No? And ito yung ating 2ab, no? So, check natin kung equal. This is a, this is b, so 2ab is equal to 2 times a is 3y and b is 5x. So this is equal to 6 times 5 is 30, and then times x times y is 30xy. So kapareho siya nito, meaning this is a perfect square trinomial at yung a natin ay 3y. This is equal to 3y. Iba to This is equal to 3y. Tapos 5x, ang sign natin dito ay negative. So therefore, this is minus. Times 3y minus x, which is equal to 3y minus 5x. Oh, sorry, this is 5x. This is 3y minus 5x, which is equal to 3y minus 5x quantity squared. So, pwede natin ito tanggalin, no? Kasi parang scratch lang ito. Ayusin natin. This is 3y minus 5x times 3y minus 5x, which is equal to 3y minus 5x quantity squared. Alright, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo na bago. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you!